Okay, the next cardiovascular machine we have is the upright bike, which is going to work your heart and lungs, and you're going to feel it predominantly in your lower body. First step is to set the seat height, and we want to adjust this to hip level. Perfect. Okay, from here we want to put your foot into the lower pedal first before stepping into the machine and sitting on our seat. Excellent. Just give me one revolution here so your leg is at the bottom position and we can clearly see your leg is not straight. We have a slight bend. We're looking for just a slight bend in the leg. Excellent. Just pedal it out for me. Okay, is that feeling comfortable? Good. Now we're going to start the machine. Might feel a bit easy, so please feel free to increase the level. Good. Holding on to the handles. Pushing down with the balls of the feet into the pedals. Nice rhythmical manner. Pushing with the quadriceps, pulling with the hamstrings. Good. Keep this up. Core is nice and engaged, back nice and straight. How's this feeling for you? On a scale of 1 to 10? Okay, good. Okay, if you're happy with this machine, we could just start to slow down gradually. Let's wind it down nice and slowly before we come off. Okay, excellent. Good work.